Are you tired of archiving Loom videos one by one? Watch this to learn how to select multiple videos and archive them all in less than 30 seconds. We'll start by opening your library, then use the checkboxes to select multiple videos, and finally, archive them with a single click. First, head over to your library to see all your videos. Then, on the first video, click the box in the upper left corner to select it. Do the same for the next video. And for the last one as well, so all three are selected. Finally, click Archive, and you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.